Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you want to transfer photos, videos, documents or other files from your Android phone to your Mac, you may have noticed that it's not as simple as connecting an iPhone. In this video, I will show you how to use an Android file transfer app to connect your Android phone to your Mac and easily transfer files. Okay, Android file transfer is a simple utility that allows your Mac to access the files and folders stored on an Android smartphone. You can use it to transfer photos, videos, music, documents, APK files and other data between your Android device and your Mac. First, download the Android file transfer app on your Mac. Let's open the browser first and search for Android file transfer for Mac and press enter. Now you can see here macupdate.com website, download Android file transfer for Mac. Simply click on it. Now you can see here the download button. Click on download button. Close this pop-up. And now your download will start. You can see here the file is successfully downloaded, the .dmg file. Now let's install it. Simply double click on the DMG file. Now just drag the application Android file transfer to the application folder like this. And that's it. Your Android file transfer successfully installed. You can see here on your launchpad, Android file transfer. Click on it. Click on open. Now you can see here the message. No Android device found. Connect your Mac to your Android device using its USB cable. Simply put your USB Type-C or Type-B cable from your Mac and connect it to, and on Android phone just select file transfer. As you can see on my screen, it is successfully connected. Now open Android file transfer app. Now you can see here the files of my Android phones on my screen. You can also copy files from here to your Mac like this. Just simply select it and drag it to the Mac. File, folders, images, anything you can copy it here very easily. If your Android phone is not showing up, first make sure it's unlocked and connected with a proper USB data cable. Then check the USB notification on your phone and make sure file transfer is selected. You can also disconnect and reconnect the cable and restart Android file transfer again. And that's how you can transfer files between an Android phone and a Mac using Android file transfer. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.